the Cruise America 30-foot RV. This is the largest one they rent, and we just got back from a 3-day trip with it. There's the storage compartment in back, and there's a picnic table and another little storage bin there, and another storage bin there where you can keep some ice. There's a spare tire there that they give you a spare tire, but they don't give you a jack, so if you do have a flat on the road, you have to call them. Anyway, that is an access panel that I had to remove from right there because that blue hose you see came undone, and when I hooked up the water at one of the campsites, water just started spraying all over inside here. We saw it coming from that access panel, so we removed it, and it was easy enough to fix, but it was a Sunday and I couldn't get a hold of anyone at Cruise America. That's where the water hooks up. That's where you fill up your water storage tank. There's where you put the gas, which I'm going to do right before I bring it back to them. And then here's where your shoreline power comes from, the plug that you plug into the pedestal at your campground. That panel right there is where the sewer and gray water dump is. And I will warn you that the gray water tank on this thing fills up fast. It says it sleeps 7. We had 4 people, and we had to dump gray water multiple times. We do have one small kid who takes a shower that's a little too long and fills it up, but it seems like that gray water tank is maybe 20 gallons at best, so don't expect that to perform like your shower at home. Anyway, coming inside here, you have your little, falling over, you have your cooktop there, pretty straightforward. Little sink right there, works pretty well. You've got a microwave, and then your range hood with the fan and light. You've got LED lighting throughout this thing, so that's pretty good. And then the cab, of course. And here's the upper bunk, which could sleep 2, I guess. We had 1 sleep there. This couch here makes into a bed. This table here makes into a bed. And then you have the bedroom back here. And that's pretty self-explanatory. It's got a curtain here that closes, and then the bathroom right here works similar to your bathroom at home. Toilet, sink, there's a fan and a vent, and then this door shuts to close all this stuff off if you want it to. And you've got a shower here. And again, you really can't take what you would consider to be a normal shower in here. It fills up fast. And then the fridge. The fridge works pretty well. You just set it to auto, and it keeps things cold. And that's pretty much the walkthrough on the Cruise America 30-foot RV. I will tell you that a lot of little things were not quite what they should be in here. I can certainly answer any of those questions. In particular here, this level test, you can see that it's telling us the Blackwater tank is 2/3 full, which it's not. It read 2/3 the entire time, whether it was empty or full or anything else. And the gray water tank is now empty, but it never indicated anything other than empty. We found out it was full when the sink backed up, or the shower backed up, when there's a furnace there. So anyway, if you're going to rent from Cruise America, just be ready for some challenges on the road. Kind of have to be ready for anything, I guess. Bring a toolkit, and I will come back and let you know if they compensate me for the little inconveniences that we had during our trip. But that's it. I hope you find this useful, and happy cruising.